we are going to be making slime. Who's excited? Me! So let's get started! So we have already poured glue into this. I have, because it was really messy and I hate glue. So now we'll be adding food coloring.
I think I'll see this one. I pink.
Me too. Team pink.
Well, my second favorite color is yellow. But then yellow. So it is so blue. Oh, it's all over again. Oh no!
It's not, because it's not getting messy. It's not getting that messy.
Yeah.
It's just not coming out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to say.
Wait, that was quick.
Just try your best, sis.
So I have added it, the coloring. Now let's mix them all.
You have to mix it because it's dirty. I really want to mix it. But
Okay, you can mix it.
no, it's really dirty. I don't want to see it so
Nice and pink.
Oh, let me see. Wow, this is like a bad thing. Just do your best. Do your best. Whoa, look! Hey, look at this! The table is watching my things.
Now we're gonna add the
So
activator.
funny, so funny. Look at this.
Let's add the
Look at
activator.
this. I have 2 hands. And the other hand
Add that.
What this?
Yeah, the activator. What's it called? Activator.
Okay, I put some here.
You have to open this too. Shall I open that for you? No, you have to open this first. This thing. You use mine. I'll pour it. Oops, too much.
What the word says? What did it do?
No, it can be saved. Wait, I'll use it to mine. Done.
That looks like water.
It has supposed to be water. Now let's mix it.
You have to mix it. How many hours again?
Not hours. I still think there's too much activity. I'll fix it.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm fixing it.
It's like slime already, don't you think?
Yeah, we need to add more activator.
That's
I'm just passing it. We have to add activate a little by
really
little.
that's such a small slime.
Yeah, because the glue was making such a mess. If the glue didn't make it, so it's so much like slime already. But we still need to add.
Then you put some activator here too.
Yeah.
It's getting messy again.
No, it's not getting messier. We need to add more activator to fix it.
Just don't take the whole thing of mine.
Yeah, we can always add more.
Look, I have 2 hands. Chicken. I'm a chicken. The chicken. Look, I'm chicken.
I just told her which video we are gonna make next. It's a secret.
A secret.
I just told you. Don't
Yeah,
don't tell anyone. It's secret.
Okay, what did you say then? Alright.
Oh, already like slime.
Oh, I'm telling Bobby.
She's telling 10 friends.
Princess Barbie, excuse me.
Okay. Done. It's almost.
No, look at Rudolph. So cute, touching my
And I
whole
can
hand.
keep it here.
Whoa, it's like getting. Now I have my hand back again. Look.
So we are making crunchy slime.
Crunchy.
There are many types of slimes. We both are making
Look at these. You could pick any color.
crunchy slimes, and don't mind the noise.
My favorite
Oh, this is
rainbow.
getting messy.
Yeah, I told you it's getting messy.
Good thing it's done. Yeah, that's because I put it in my hand too early. No, it needs to be fully activated.
Oh boy.
If you get what I mean. Just tell me.
Did can I touch these?
Of course.
Why don't I need to open them? You and I'm not touching them. What about these? They'll be easy to touch, correct?
Slime.
Oh man, that looks like slime already.
Now we just mix them both to make
it big.
yeah.
I love slime.
Just need a little bit more activator.
So first it was getting a bit like a bad day. Now it's getting a bit like full. A little good day. Just a little good day because we're not done with the slime. So just a little bit good day.
We need to activate it still. So it's still messy. It's so messy.
I have tuition.
So
We're gonna
it's
put it in
almost
this box.
yeah, it's almost done.
Yeah.
We just have to add these beads.
Yeah, I love the rainbow, so I'm gonna. Can I add it first?
But this one has lesser lesser, so I'll add first, and then afterwards you can add it.
Okay.
First I have to mix them up.
Not my turn.
Just let it get into the slime.
Stupid Polly.
This is.
Is it done, Didi?
It's not exactly not exactly crunchy slime. It's actually foam ball slime.
Didi, can I do it now?
Okay.
It's not real.
Okay. Add. Not much.
Okay. Didi, you're not letting me do anything. Seriously, I'm so
Done.
Didi, put these two.
No more.
Didi, no. Didi, look, the filling go.
Okay.
Didi, give me
Not anymore.
Put these containers. Is it done, Didi? Can I touch it now?
No, there's a bit too much foam balls.
Didi.
I am fixing it.
Okay, no. Didi, no, my hand's here.
No, she's not here. We'll go down in 5 minutes. I'll just finish this.
Quickly, you hear me? Quickly.
Okay. Let's do it quickly.
Chicken bop. Didi, can I touch it?
Okay, so we're not putting it. But after
Can I touch it?
yes, of course, you can play with it. But after it's done, after you're done playing with it, you should keep it in an airtight container that you can get at any store or at Amazon. So it was so fun, she can't stop playing. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye, Angel.